There's a place far beyond the city lights and restless noise,
far beyond hurried hearts,
where the mountains breathe slowly and the soul
finally remembers itself.
We followed the rivers through sleeping valleys, through cold morning fog and trembling pine trees, boots full of dust, hands smelling like smoke and rain. And somewhere between the silence, we became alive again. The forest was humming, humming softly like it knew our names,
like it waited for us all this time.
And the wind said, slow
Down,
slow
down,
you are home now,
where the wild rivers run,
where the tall trees sway,
where the night sky opens wide.
that's where my soul can stay.
Stay,
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 stay a little longer,
where the fire crackles low, where the cold air glows.
where the mountains hold the stars.
That's where my spirit goes.
Tiny tents under giant skies,
Coffee boiling beside the morning mist,
wet jackets hanging near the fire,
old maps dancing in the wind,
and laughter
soft laughter in the distance,
echoing through valleys,
through sleepy forests, through endless green.
we carried heavy backpacks but lighter hearts,
Lighter hearts,
lighter hearts.
and somewhere high above the clouds we forgot what sadness sounded like.
Can you hear it?
The forest breathing,
The river speaking.
the owls calling through the dark.
Can you hear it?
That quiet little feeling,
The one that says you are exactly where you belong,
where the wild rivers run,
where the tall trees sway,
where the night sky opens wide.
that's where my soul can stay.
Stay,
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 stay a little longer,
where the fire crackles low, where the cold air glows.
where the mountains hold the stars.
That's where my spirit goes.
Golden sunrise on cold stone cliffs, hands wrapped around warm metal cups,
Fog rolling slowly through the valleys.
boots drying beside the fire,
The world felt smaller there.
and bigger somehow too.
No noise,
No rush,
only the sound of trees.
trees,
Trees,
only the sound of water touching rocks,
only the sound of wind through sleeping grass.
only the sound of hearts.
Finally resting
And maybe happiness,
was never loud.
maybe it was always here,
Inside tiny campsites,
inside muddy trails,
inside tired smiles after long walks,
inside smoke-stained sweaters,
inside quiet mornings.
beside someone you love.
Maybe freedom looks
Like old hiking boots,
messy hair,
cold fingers,
and mountains disappearing into clouds.
take me back again,
Back into the wild,
back where silence heals,
back